What is a product? A product is anything that delivers value to a customer or user. It can be physical, like a smartphone, coffee maker, or pair of sneakers. It can also be digital, like an app, a streaming service, or a cloud platform. Some products are services, like ride-sharing or meal delivery. And others are hybrids, such as smart home devices with companion apps. In product management terms, a product is a solution designed to solve a specific problem or fulfill a specific need for a target audience. It has features, benefits, and a life cycle, from idea to launch to growth to retirement. The key is that it delivers measurable value to both the user and the business. What are some examples of products? A physical product could be a reusable water bottle that keeps drinks cold for 24 hours. A digital product could be a project management tool that helps teams track work. A service product could be a subscription box that delivers curated goods monthly. A hybrid product could be a wearable fitness tracker with a health app. Within a product management framework, the product is the central focus of strategy, planning, and execution. It's where customer needs meet business goals. Product managers define the vision, prioritize features, oversee development, and ensure the product stays competitive and relevant. Every decision, roadmaps, releases, pricing, positioning, flows from the product strategy. Products are managed to maximize their success and longevity. Without structured management, a product can miss market needs, waste resources, or lose competitive edge. Management ensures the product delivers ongoing value, adapts to feedback, and meets both customer expectations and business targets. Want to get into the product management world? Start by understanding the role. It's about solving problems for customers in a way that drives business value. Build skills in communication, data analysis, user research, and strategy. Many PMs come from backgrounds in engineering, marketing, design, or operations. Gain experience by managing small projects, shadowing a PM, or working on product-related initiatives. Leverage certifications, online courses, and networking to break in. The path is rarely identical for two people, but it always starts with curiosity and a focus on creating value. And check out more videos about product management in the channel.